Get into a car with value. 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLC. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Enter the artful world of premium luxury and muscular performance when you take the wheel of this GLC 300. SUV capability, chiseled looks, and the latest tech blend with exquisite refinement and superb engineering to bring you a superlative automobile. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, power liftgate, power passenger seat, wood grain interior trim, heated mirrors, fog lamps, backup camera. Feel the thrill of excellence at your fingertips when you're behind the wheel of this GLC 300. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.